Hi you guys, today I'm going to show you how to use the Brother LX2500. We turn it on. LX2500 Brothers series. On the side of your machine there's a button. You can click off and on. Make sure your plug is plugged in. Let me just turn it back on there. Okay. You have 17 different sewing functions from zigzag. You can create a fake serge, your stay stitches, and this is a very good machine. It has various threads on it. Okay, here's your reverse. When you're sewing, you press it down and it will take the needle in reverse. Your tension, you can adjust it by just moving it none to your highest tension, which is 9. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a 9. Okay. You have your needle, your bobbin case. You have a lever to lift your foot up and down. Okay. Under here you have your needle, the little tiny button. Let's see if I can show you here. It's a little screw here that allows you to turn it and it'll release your needle. Or if you're changing your needle, you will insert the needle up and tighten it to hold. Okay? Let's talk about threading your bobbin. Sorry guys. Threading your bobbin. You can remove this, or you'll find a bobbin cap. And you will place that cap onto your first stick. I just like to wind it up a bit. There's a way that you can stick it through the hole. I don't use that method. I just take the end and wind it just a bit and lock that into place. You see it slides from right to left and right is locked. I press my presser foot to begin winding. And we'll just wind on it until I decide to lift. And there. I'll unlock it and take it off. There is, you guys, this handy needle. A thread cutter, excuse me, here that I use to just cut that needle. I will thread it to my sewing machine. So I'm going to take my bobbin. Let's see. I'm going to take this bobbin and drop it right in flat. Take my string and thread it right between that metal piece. If you see it here. And then I will lift my foot to the up position and place my string right over the feeder dogs towards the back. At this time I will thread my sewing machine by taking it through here, down the first indentation on the right, under the center piece, making sure that my needle is in the up position, which it is. I thread it right on top of the hook and bring it back down the other side and thread my needle. I always like to use but I use these scissors on cutting thread only. And I'll do the same thing. I'll lift the foot and take it through your walking foot and pull it towards the back. So you should have 2 strings in the back, which will be your bobbin thread and your top thread. I'll place the cover back on. Holding these 2 threads, I'll press my pressure foot so that the top can go down into the thread of the bobbin, pull it back up in the proper place. Okay. Needle back in the up position. I'll pull it to the side. My bobbin thread is still sticking out of the casing. However, I have a hook here. I usually just take my scissors, nothing sharp, so that you see that join there. I'm pulling it through. Okay, everything is where it's supposed to be. It's no longer through the casing. It is actually coming through your feeder dogs. Okay, and I still pull those to the back. And you're ready for sewing.